Alright guys, so I stretched my sweater out. I actually did it twice with the conditioner, soaked it. First time it was too short. It's still a little bit too short now, so I'm going to stretch it again. But second time I actually had it wet, got into the shower and put my arms up inside of it and pushed out like this as hard as I could to stretch out on the underarms. But it's big enough now that I can wear, and then one more wash or soak with the conditioner. I think being able to weight it on the bottom is going to make it long enough. So if you do ruin your good sweaters, your good wool sweaters, and you want to stretch them back out so that you'll be able to wear them again, this is a way to do it. Hopefully you learned something, and I'll see you again next time.